All right, welcome back everyone. So we've done our first APU, EPU install of the 2024 season. So this particular model, we did a 6 battery, 12 volt, so with 600 amp hour capacity. So pretty clean install. We've updated some of our process as far as shortening the lines, got the actual ends, so we don't have to use splice connections or anything. So pretty clean install on the back of the truck, I think, for the outside unit. Inside the box, we went to a steel diamond plate battery box. We have 4 batteries in here, which I'll show you in a second. And this, like I said, this particular truck is kind of tight. So we're developing a 6 battery and 8 battery boxes to go in the frame as well. But again, that would not fit in here. So we had to utilize a smaller 3 battery box underneath the cab up towards the steps, where we put our two additional batteries and a DC to DC converter, which is new on this particular install. So I'll show you what we have in here. So here we have 4 batteries, the lightning volt lithiums, wired in a parallel, so for increased capacity and keeping the existing 12 volts. We have a fuse here for the actual unit, and that's pretty much it in here. So we're not utilizing the onboard DC to DC chargers, since we've installed a bigger 60 amp one on the truck itself, so there wasn't really any need to use those additionally. Now if you're using these batteries by themselves without the starting batteries or another set of batteries or a charging source, then those would be a good asset to have. Okay, so our second battery box is right here. You can't see, it's so tight. We had to take all this off, and we're literally getting ready to pull this truck out to deliver it to the customer, so unfortunately I can't show all that, but there's 2 lightning volt batteries in the back. It's a 3 battery box like you see on some of the Freightliner trucks and stuff like that. So 2 lightning volt batteries, then we have a DC to DC charger converter in the front, which is coming off of the starting batteries, and then we found a fuse up here to utilize key switch power, so that way that's only charging the lithium batteries when the truck is running. So when it's not running and there's no key switch power, it's not going to be drawing any power from the starting batteries. Okay, so here's the inside unit. Pretty clean install this time. We actually made a nice aluminum template plate to go up against the wall. That said, I think the last time we were using the existing like wood shipping bracket type thing that came with the original units. But we tried to make this one a lot cleaner install. So yeah, everything's pretty tight, clean. A little bit of great stuff foam there that need to be trimmed off once that dries up. We'll go and turn it on there. And then you have a light as well. So we're also offering a under the bunk model, and also we are, that's in 12 volt. We're also in development with a 24 volt model, which will decrease charging times and increase efficiencies. And we're also we're working on a plan to kind of integrate that in with the truck as well, so stay tuned for more on that. There'll be a lot more as we get further down the road with that. There'll be more to follow. So that's pretty much it. If there's something any of the stuff you guys are interested in, give us a shout or visit the website, email, whatever. And with that, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for the updates, and like the video. So see you next time.